we believe Jesus is a prophet. Do you agree with that?
I believe he's God.
Okay, so in the Bible, when you see repeatedly that Jesus is called a prophet, what do you say about that? Then those men, when they had seen the signs that Jesus did, the true followers of Jesus, they said, this is truly the prophet who has come into this world. I said he was a prophet, you said no. And when I showed you now, Jesus is a prophet. Do you agree with that?
I believe he's God.
So is he not a prophet then? Is the Bible wrong?
He's the prophet there doesn't mean like a prophet like.
Prophet doesn't mean prophet? I'm confused. I mean, I can show you other verses where Jesus calls himself a prophet as well.
So you don't believe he's God?
I don't believe he's God, no. In fact, Jesus continually says that there is only one God who sent Jesus Christ, right? For there is one God and one mediator between God and men, the man Jesus Christ.
Man, he was fully God, but he was fully man.
Okay, so he's saying Jesus the mediator between God. He's not God, according to this verse. Can God be lower than angels?
No.
We see Jesus who was made a little lower than angels. So can God be lower than angels?
Apparently.
Well, you just said no, and now you said apparently. Come on, Dave.